Hello everybody, welcome to my Katya beauty style channel, and today I bring you again eyeshadow palette from MAC, bronze influencer. Everyone like first video and they ask me, Katerina, can you create another look? Of course, it's right here. And most important, I want to tell you, a lot of clients, a lot of people think about MAC, it's like for young teenagers. Girl, not. I'm 45. Yes, I have MAC eyeshadow, but they do not look like harsh or heavy. All what I see looking younger face. And yes, I'm wearing today my lip color from MAC. I love it. Remember, we have like a few days ago, weeks ago, 40% on all MAC lipstick. Remember, one time per year we have this special deal. And if you want to know more, please subscribe my YouTube channel, Katya Beauty Style, because this lip liner from Clinique I got 30% off, lipstick from MAC 40% off, eyeshadow palette for free. And oh my god, what else did I use in this video? Also, I use La Mer product and I got this for free. And you don't need influencer or YouTuber. All what you need to subscribe my YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram. I don't work for any brand, but I'm Nordstrom Beauty Styles, and we always have special deals like 20, 15, free stuff, gift with purchase. Okay, you know I like to talk. Let me show you how you create this look. And if you like this video, please give me like, subscribe, comments below, love you more than ice cream, and let's start. You can see I do not have a perfect skin, and also if you're new to my YouTube channel, my skin not just sensitive, extremely sensitive. I have next to me always like steroid cream, but I cannot stop. I need to make video for you, but I know some products don't give me any reactions, and I'm so happy. I washing my face with cleanser from brand Murad, and look at this huge amount. And this is cleanser, it softening oat and peptide cleanser for face and eyes. This is cleanser also perfect for sensitive skin, rosacea skin, and eczema prone skin. Creamy, rich cleanser, and I will list below, but I knew it's not expensive at all. And then if you live in United States, then I'm gonna use treatment lotion. You know what, a few weeks ago, if you buy a 5-ounce treatment lotion from La Mer, this side it's 3.4, you got for free. And thank you everybody who support me, because if you got from me, yes, I got 3% commission. Yes, Nordstrom paying only 3% commission. It is what it is, it's better than nothing. And I wash my face with cleanser from Murad, then I'm gonna use treatment lotion from La Mer, will give me nice hydration. And for my moisturizer, I'm gonna use Saturday Skin Waterfall Glaze Water Moisturizer. I believe it's $39, and it's a gel rich, it's a gel moisturizer, no fragrance. Then for my eye area, I'm gonna use Kiehl's Avocado Eye Cream, which one it's somewhere here. Yes, and it's also for sensitive skin. Of course, I will list it below, and I got this also for free. Finally, brands start selling me, because my husband gonna go soon bankruptcy. Love you more than ice cream, joking, I'm doing okay, and my family. Okay, let's take care of my skin first. Before tinted moisturizer, I'm gonna use primer from Yves Saint Laurent. It's my favorite. It's my #1 favorite product from Yves Saint Laurent. Good hydration, and I love how my foundation or tinted moisturizer looks. And if you dry to extremely dry, you can use this as moisturizer. You must have this product. It's like 36, 26. It's like less than, I believe, $40. Love this tinted moisturizer, and I'm gonna use Trish McAvoy brush. I love this brush. Because it's this brush, look at how good looking this tinted moisturizer, very hydrating, and it's a pretty good coverage. It's not full, it's light to medium, but you know what, I'm happy. And now of course I'm gonna use this baby, and I'm gonna mix two colors together. I'm gonna just use my finger and apply under my eye. It's really creamy, it's really rich concealer, it's not dry concealer, and you can see I pushing this concealer up. Also little bit concealer I'm gonna put on my eyelid. You can see how my skin looks beautiful and hydrating. Let's set my concealer. I'm gonna use Beauty Puff and Givenchy powder, and it's #2. I have two of them, pink one and this is like neutral one. Okay, I using my puff. I have powder a little bit right here. Then I push in this powder kind of inside my puff. I'm gonna go with my finger one more time, make sure it's nice and crease, and I'm gonna just very slightly press, set my concealer. And you can see it's not like I put in too much product, it's very little. I'm 45. If I will put too heavy sometimes powder, it will show my lines and wrinkles, and it's gonna go even worse. Now I must set my tinted moisturizer, and of course I'm gonna use my favorite powder. It's by Chanel. It's #10, Healthy Glow La Beige formula, because it will set my makeup but will not look heavy. It's not a heavy powder. It's a perfect powder for me. Now I'm gonna use this baby. Yes, Nordstrom anniversary, it's almost over, or it's over, and I got this beautiful palette from Hourglass, $69. It's powder, bronze and blush here. And of course, before anything else, let me a little bit to touch my lips. I'm gonna use Lip Fusion plumper from Too Faced. And if you're not yet, follow me on Instagram, because like few weeks ago Too Faced products 40% off, and I always making posts. I'm telling you, Lancome on sale, MAC on sale, what is special at Nordstrom. You must follow me Instagram, Katya Beauty Style. Love you more than ice cream. And watch my lips. I already have a nice lips, but this product, it's make even better. Let's use this baby. Okay, let's use this color first. This is just will give me nice, beautiful glow. It's like kiss of sun. It's highlighter, but it's not too heavy. It's not like too much. No, you can layer this as much you want. Highlighter, it's done, and let's use this middle color, and this will be my bronze. Look at how natural this bronze looking. It's not heavy. If you want a little bit more color, you can just layer more product. And time to use this blush. Oh, it's so beautiful. After 45, sometimes you need the glasses, big brush, and little bit go one more time all over. By the way, I hope you like my funny videos which when I start creating. I just love it. And I hope when you watch them, you are smiling. And time to do eyebrows. Okay, I'm gonna fill my eyebrows and we'll be right back. Eyebrows, it's done. It's a little bit too much, but I'm gonna do today like a smoky neutral look. This is why I want my brows a little bit darker than I usually do. Okay, eyeshadow primer first on entire my eyelid from my Painterly, and then of course we're gonna use this beautiful eyeshadow palette. Thank you, Erica from Nordstrom. She gave me this for free on my birthday, and absolutely in love with this palette. And you asked me to make second video. Here you go. It's a second video right here. I'm using MAC eyeshadow brush, and again I apply on entire my eyelid. Ooh. Primer is done, and now I have, it's a brand new, I just bought this from Anastasia Beverly Hills highlighter duo pencil Cami and Sand, and this is, it's a matte color. I'm gonna use little bit under my brows. It will give me nice lift, and it's slightly little bit lighter and brighter than my primer. Same brush, and I'm gonna just slightly soft this and blend. Now I'm gonna use MAC brush, and we're gonna use this beautiful bronze color kind of on entire my eyelid. I'm just right now layering product. Okay, I have a one color. All what I did, I just apply this eyeshadow on entire my eyelid, and if it's okay, if it's not perfect, we're gonna blend. Now I have a big blending brush, and we're gonna use this matte color, and I'm gonna apply this in the crease and pushing up. It is again matte color. It looks so natural because look at my lips, how big, and it's have even color, and I don't have any color. It's just lip plumper. It's so make magic. Now I have a small tiny brush from North, it's my favorite, and we're gonna use this lighter color. Now I'm gonna use my finger, and we're gonna use this beautiful gold color. I'm gonna apply little bit on the center for extra pop. Ooh, it's pretty. And you know what? I'm gonna use flat brush. I'm gonna use little bit more this brown darker color. It's like bronze down, and I'm gonna apply a little bit more in the corner and build bit like color here. I really like this quality. This is beautiful quality texture eyeshadow. Now I have a big blending brush, and I'm just a little bit soft this corner. We're almost done. Now I have a blending brush. I apply this matte eyeshadow, and I'm gonna use underneath. Now I'm gonna use again Anastasia this pencil, and I'm gonna put on my waterline. And now it's something very important what I need to use to make me look younger. I need to use lash curler. I can use often false lashes because I'm so allergic for a glue. I curl in my lashes, then I use primer, mascara, and voila. It will lift my eyes, will brighten my eyes, and will make me look 10 years younger. I'm almost finished my eyes. Laura Mercier lash curler, Lancome primer, and then we'll see what mascara I'm gonna use. And because I want extra volume, I'm gonna use two mascara. First I'm gonna use Sicily and then Chanel the volume. But watch how I apply this mascara. This is looking so good, I don't need even false lashes. Ooh, I look so beautiful, natural. I put my new earrings from Nordstrom. I love them. And let's finish this look with soft lip color. Yes, I just bought this beautiful lip color from MAC. It's 40% off. I bought like 10 lipsticks and its color sold out. Beautiful, like a peachy neutral color. And then I'm gonna use lip liner, which one I got from Clinique, also I believe like 30% off, and it's color number 17, soft nude. Okay, let's see. My lips, it's done. Remember, I use number 70 lip liner from Clinique and lipstick from MAC. It's sold out. Very soft, natural, and of course I add little bit highlighter. I want this extra glow from Brand Revolution. It looks like, sorry, let me open for you. It looks like Laura Mercier, but it's not. Oh my god, it's so hard to open. But look at how pretty this is, and it's cost less than $15, but it's a nice quality. Again guys, I hope you like this video. If you like this look, comments below. Love you more than ice cream. Share my video, and I will see you in my next video.